When this professor started his last class of the semester, he was confused when every single student had their camera turned off. He thought they were pulling a prank on him and started to get frustrated. But then one of the students gave a secret signal, and what happened next was so wholesome. All at once, every student turned their camera on, holding signs to thank him for a great semester. He was so touched, it almost brought him to tears.